Welcome. In front of me is a ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to simply enable it, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, and it is right here, so you can just tap on it and pops up with the couple options right here. So you can either set it up to be for an hour by default. You can also tap on the plus to add additional hours if you wish to, or you can choose to until turned off, so right here. And once you select which one you want, you can then tap on done, and also you have couple additional options over here. So you have the priority only, which we will go into setup soon, and then total silence, which doesn't have any setup, it just makes everything silent. And then the default one that when you tap on it, it will open, which is the alarm only. So choose whichever one you want and then tap on done like so, and it becomes enabled. Now I'm gonna disable it, and to set up the priority, we're gonna hold the Do Not Disturb mode, and it will take us to the settings of it. So from here you have priority only allows, and from here we can actually choose what it does. So you can enable, disable the events and reminders if you wish to. Then you have messages, and when you tap on it, you will have options to basically allow the messages from either anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from contacts only, so whoever's on your contact list, from shared contacts, which is just your favorites, and then none, which is dead silent. And then calls have the same option, so you can choose which one you want for either of those. And then at the bottom you also have repeat callers. So this is if you have whatever you set, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually be able to call you, basically reach you the second time around, even though you would have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled. So a good way to have some kind of like emergency way of people contacting you. So once you set it up, you can go back. And also one thing that you can do is set an automatic rule. So here you can either edit the ones that exist or also add a new one. So let's go time rule, name it whatever. And from here, once you are in here, you have days. So choose the days of the week that you want it to be turning on. And then you go to time, so start. I can choose whatever time it starts. So for instance, if you want something like a work schedule that it turns on, let's go from 8 to 4. There we go, to 4. Oops, I just pressed twice on the start time, so let's do that again. 8 to 4, there we go. So now it's gonna start at 8 AM and at 4 PM, and then Do Not Disturb mode, priority only. So this is the one that we have set previously, and once you're done, all you need to do is just back out of it, and it will be now enabled by default, and it will turn on its own every single day. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.